staying home because of the pandemic? I'm sorry, but I have an essential list of things that will help you make a wonderful Thanksgiving meal. Welcome to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi, I'm Adrienne of Adornment with Adrienne. I am your auntie or your girlfriend of lifestyle and decor. I've compiled a list of things that you need to get when you go to the grocery store to make a wonderful Thanksgiving meal. Let's get started. First, you definitely need a couple cans of evaporated milk, whether that be Pet, Eagle, or Carnation, depending on where you live or what region you are in. People use different milks, but you definitely need some if you want to make macaroni and cheese, various things. Of course, you need cornbread. All right, you can just definitely pick up a couple of boxes of Jiffy cornbread, whether you want it to slice or if you're going to use it to make cornbread dressing. Jiffy has a vegetarian option this year if that's something that you're interested in or you need. I'm not sure about the ingredients, check the label. So if you want to make cornbread dressing, you definitely want to make your cornbread a couple loaves or in a skillet or pan maybe a day ahead of time. And don't forget your cranberry sauce for your dressing, whether it's jellied or if it's whole berry. Definitely don't forget to pick that up when you go to the store. All right, our next thing that we need, if you are making stuffing instead of dressing, I grew up partially up north, so we always had stuffing, and you definitely want to get some of that sage Jimmy Dean sausage. All right, our next thing is, of course, poultry seasoning. How can you have Thanksgiving with no poultry seasoning? Okay, you need it for your turkey, for your gravy, for your dressing. And if you can't find it because it's all sold out, here are some ingredients to help you make it. Don't forget your salt and pepper as well. All right, our next thing, of course, you got to have celery. All right, get you some celery. Be mindful that the hearts of celery will be a little bit more expensive. Celery and onions. All right, or you can have celery, onions, and green peppers, a holy trinity. Of course, some whole onions, yellow or white, that's your choice. Of course, then we have our eggs. We need eggs for whether we want to make deviled eggs, we want to make potato salad, or we want to use it to make cakes or macaroni and cheese or dressing. We need eggs. Of course, we need butter. We want to slather butter all over our wonderful turkey, or we want to melt it to pour into various things. You should basically get an unsalted butter, but if you can't find it, salted butter will be okay, or margarine, but be mindful of the salt taste. Okay, your food will be a little bit more salty. All right, then you need brown sugar. Okay, if you plan on making any sweet potato pie or candy yams, I feel that you need brown sugar. I don't think you should make it without it, but you can see there's dark brown, light brown. Anyway, next thing, smoked meat, smoked turkey necks, smoked neck bones, smoked ham hocks. If you are planning on making any type of greens, whether that's collard, mustard, turnips, you definitely need some smoked meats. Okay, I haven't been able to find any smoked neck bones this year, but good luck to you. Hope maybe you can find them. All right, our next thing, of course, you gotta have some aluminum foil. Don't forget that when you go to the store. You want to cover all of your different things, food items that you're making. Now I have an essential chart of how long it takes to thaw our turkey. You might want to pause it here or run it back. How many days it takes to thaw your turkey. If you're putting it in water, how long this is so important because the turkey can almost become toxic, so make sure you're doing it. If you put it in the fridge for a few days, make sure you use a large pan so any of the drippings or as it's melting are caught and not all over your refrigerator. Okay, depending on the weight and time, I have the time or the amount of time that you need to cook your turkey. Of course, Butterball has a 1-800 line if you need to call someone to talk about your turkey. Anyway, these are some essential items I thought that would be great. Oh, by the way, I have a video for a wonderful, easy Thanksgiving centerpiece that you can use with a candle if you're looking for something that's quick and easy to make for your table. Again, I'm Adrienne of Adornment with Adrienne. Please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Again, I'm Adrienne of Adornment with Adrienne. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello another time. Please stay safe, and remember, If we stay safe this year, next year we can spend all the time we want with our family and friends if we're still here with our loved ones. If you have your loved ones, you're blessed, and you have something definitely to be grateful for. Anyway, please stay safe and happy holidays, y'all. Please remember to click like, hit subscribe, and click the bell for notification.